Right, in this video we're going to find the integral of sine squared x cos squared x dx. So writing down the integral, what we need to do is first of all rewrite the integral as sin x cos x all squared dx. And then we're going to use sine 2a is equivalent to 2 sin a cos a. So replacing that we're going to get, because it's 2, we're going to have to put a half in, sine 2x, and that all of that has to be squared because it's sin x cos x squared, which gives me, if I square the half I get a quarter. I'm going to take that out of the integral sign, and then I'm going to have to work out the integral of sine squared 2x dx. Now, to do integral of sine squared, you need to use cos 2a is equivalent to 1 minus 2 sine squared a. And therefore, rewriting that, you get sine squared a is equivalent to a half brackets 1 minus cos 2a. So, replacing this, we now get a half integral of a half brackets 1 minus cos 4a, because this is already 2, so the angle doubles, dx. That gives me 1/8 1 minus cos 4x dx. And we're now at the stage of actually being able to integrate. So you have to prepare the integral properly first before you actually integrate. So integrating, we get 1/2, the integral of 1 is x, and then we've got for cos 4x, well, cos 4x comes from sine 4x, so let's differentiate that back. So differentiating sine 4x, we're going to get 4 cos 4x, so we've got 4 times too much, so we need to put 1/4 in front of that, so we're going to be minus 1/4 sine 4x plus c. Taking that 1/8 in, we're going to get 1/8 of x minus 1/32 of sine 4x plus c as the final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to integrate sine squared x cos squared x dx. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.